In this video, I'm going to talk about job photo organization software and why CompanyCam is seriously one of the best tools out there for keeping all your project photos, notes, and estimates in check. So, here's the deal. Managing photos and files for multiple job sites can get messy real quick if you're stuck using something like Google Drive with folders for every address. It's slow, clunky, and kinda kills productivity because you have to dig through folders just to find one pic or quote. That's where CompanyCam comes in clutch. It keeps your phone storage free because all photos upload straight to the cloud, plus it has awesome markup tools to highlight issues or progress right on the images. You can tag your team members in photos, add checklists and notes, and even share cloud galleries with clients or subs without any hassle. The app also syncs up with a bunch of dispatch and CRM tools, so you're not juggling 10 different apps just to keep things running smooth. I've used it for over 4 years now, and honestly it's worth every penny if you value saving time and staying organized on site. If you're already running a high-end construction management system, CompanyCam might either integrate with it or replace it completely for your photo needs. One of the biggest mistakes I see with job photo organization is relying too much on generic storage options like Google Drive or Dropbox without any real tagging or sorting system. It ends up wasting way more time than it saves. Another common issue is not backing up photos properly. You don't want to lose critical job documentation because some random phone got wiped or lost. A third problem is skipping the markup and notes feature, which means your photos don't provide enough context when you or your team look back at them later. The fix? Use a dedicated app like CompanyCam that's made for construction pros. Always upload photos as soon as possible to avoid losing shots, and make it a habit to add detailed notes or markups so everyone stays on the same page. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot if you're a homeowner looking to link up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. And it's like a matchmaking service for home improvement projects. For contractors, it's a great way to find new gigs without endless cold calls or chasing leads all over the place, helping you focus more on the work and less on the hustle.